it's Tasha from WTI. I want to show you this really useful carrying case for your Nintendo Switch from Deruitu.
So if you have a Nintendo Switch, you want to be able to take it wherever you want. And this case is awesome because it conforms exactly to the Switch. It really protects it very well. I love that it just slides in there. It also has 2 pages where you can put an SD card or a memory card. Also doubles as a screen protector so that when it's in the case, my screen doesn't get scratched. On the other side, I love that I can just slip in any type of cables for charging or a cover or any type of other dongles for playing, and everything fits really nice and compact and organized. And when I close it back up, it just fits into any bag that I'm taking with me.
So this is really handy, just be able to grab and go and just take it with me. And I really like this product, great quality. But that's just my point of view.